Hi, I'm Christina Harper with Harper Agency in Celina, Texas. Today, I'm just gonna go over a few myths about homeowners insurance to kind of clear up some confusion for all of you. The first thing, common confusion, is water damage, mold, sewer backup, things like that people think are automatically covered. The next thing we're gonna review is replacement cost versus actual cash value on your policy and what that means. And then the third thing we're gonna go over is specialty items like your jewelry, watches, things like cameras, all of those things, and whether you should include those on your homeowner's insurance or not. So the first item, back to some common confusion about everything that's covered. People believe water damage, mold, sewer backing up into your home. Everyone thinks these things are gonna be automatically covered because I purchased a homeowner's insurance policy. So you would add all of these different coverages on. They are not automatically included in every homeowner's policy. So you want to review your coverages and see what is and isn't covered. And is this something that if I had water backup into my home, would I file a claim for that? If so, I would add this coverage on. If not, it's a coverage that you can remove from your policy and save some money there. The next thing is replacement cost versus actual cash value. So for instance, I have hail damage on my roof and I go to file a claim. There's two different types of valuation on a homeowner's policy. The first being replacement cost. What that means is in the event of a claim, I file a roof claim and I need a new roof, right? So the insurance company comes out, they've approved my claim. So say the roof costs $30,000 and my deductible is $5,000. In a replacement cost scenario, the insurance company would pay out $25,000 because my roof costs $30,000, I pay my deductible of $5,000, and the insurance company pays the rest, which would be $25,000. Then in the other scenario, which would be actual cash value roof, this is a roof that is not going to have as much coverage as a replacement cost roof. So for instance, I file a claim, same scenario, $30,000 roof, but at this point, I have an actual cash value roof. So not only am I, as the homeowner, going to pay my deductible of $5,000, I am also going to pay depreciation based on the age of the roof. So you just want to make sure you look at all of your coverages and you know what it is that you're purchasing. So in the event of a claim, you're not shocked when you owe $12,000 instead of that $5,000 deductible. The next one is going to be specialty items like jewelry, collectible items, electronics, cameras for any photographers out there. So one thing is people always want to just add all this onto their homeowner's insurance. Well, in the event that say you something happened to your wedding ring that you had covered, and now you have a claim because something happened to that ring, right? It was stolen, something happened to it, so you go file a claim on your homeowner's insurance. Now what this does is it puts a theft claim on your homeowner's policy. A lot of people don't realize that then you could become uninsurable with other carriers for a number of years. So you just want to make sure that if you have those specialty items on your homeowner's insurance, I would go shop it with some specialty carriers. For instance, like jewelry, you can get a policy through Jewelers Mutual to where if you had to file a claim, it wouldn't affect your homeowner's insurance rates. So that's a couple of interesting things about homeowners insurance. I hope you enjoyed the message. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our team is ready and happy to help.